Good day everyone, this is Brightest Life. Today I will share with you a topic about 13 health benefits of dragon fruit. Welcome to our channel, enjoy watching. Dragon fruit is referred to as a superfood due to its rich nutritional and antioxidant profile. Low-calorie, nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich exotic fruit is considered a good alternative to many other fruits. 1. Promote a healthy gut. Dragon fruit is considered good for digestion. It is rich in fiber. The prebiotic fiber helps in the growth of good bacteria in the body. 2. Lower cholesterol and improve heart health. The seeds of dragon fruit are a rich source of essential unsaturated fatty acids such as linoleic and linolenic acids. Good fats can lower the levels of bad cholesterol in the body. 3. Strengthen your immune system. Dragon fruit contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, betacyanins, betaxanthins, and polyphenolic compounds. 4. Help stabilize your blood sugar. Dragon fruit can reduce blood sugar levels, helpful for people who are pre-diabetic or diabetic. 5. Aid weight loss. A study found that the betacyanins found in red dragon fruit can help manage diabetes and prevent obesity by regulating the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. 6. Boost iron levels. Dragon fruit is rich in iron and vitamin C, essential for the formation of red blood cells that carry oxygen to various parts of the body. 7. Prevent cancer. Dragon fruit contains pigmented carotenoids like beta-carotene and lycopene, and vitamin C that have the potential to fight cancer. Antioxidants such as betalains can reduce oxidative stress and fight cancer cells. 8. Help improve vision. Beta-carotenes are essential for good eye health. It may help improve vision and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. 9. Help suppress arthritis pain. Dragon fruit was suggested as a remedy to people who suffered from inflammatory diseases such as arthritis and joint pains. 10. Help during pregnancy. Dragon fruit is rich in iron. Consuming it during pregnancy can help prevent anemia. It contains vital minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients aid blood circulation, bone formation, and brain health. 11. Help dengue patients. Consuming dragon fruit can help people infected by the dengue virus because of the antiviral activity of the compounds present in dragon fruit. 12. Boost brain function. Consuming dragon fruit may lower the risk of neural degeneration. The extract of red dragon fruit helps improve memory and learning ability. 13. Promote reproductive health. Traditional medicinal practices suggest the consumption of dragon fruit to improve reproductive health and benefit the sexual organs. That ends our topic for today for Brightest Life. Please like, comment, and share this video. Also please hit the subscribe button to keep you updated of our succeeding videos. Thank you for watching.